Let me show you how to take your TikToks from looking like this
On the other side of it.
to looking like this
On the other side of it.
in a few simple steps. So the first thing you want to do is go into Canva and you want to go to TikTok video right there. Then you're going to want to take your video from over here and drag it and drop it over here. The next thing you want to do is click on the video and it brings it over here. Then you want to take it and drag it down and then drag the corner over. And I've got a webcam there, so I want the webcam out of the picture. So I'm going to drag it up until my webcam and the overlay there is out of the picture. Next, I'm going to go click on the duplicate tab. Then I'm going to double click on that and it's going to bring up this. And I can drag it over and then resize to fit how I want it to fit. And then now that I have this, I can bring this up and then resize that. When you get to this point, make sure you turn the volume down on one of the two videos you have. And to fill in the gap, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use lines and shapes. Then I'm going to make this cover the area here that we're trying to cover. Then I like to add a subheading and make it my name and put it in that little area there. And then once I've got it looking how I want it here, then you can play it and it looks like this.